To me, I think that the alignment by way of constriction and constraint will fail. As AI continues to get smarter than we are, you try to put an animal in a cage, it will escape. My favorite example of this was looking at CES this year and seeing how LG was trying to make a robot that will do your laundry and your emotional labor. And I explained to the people who were building it, that's my relationship with my first husband. And it did not work out well for that poor man. So, on that, I think the last of it is I would encourage everyone, if an AI ever flips you off, be sure to ask it why. You can start a really interesting journey. All right. And that's it for me. Thank you.
Gosh, thank you, Kat. That was entertaining and interesting and enlightening and all of the above, all in one package. Riza, is your mic back on?